Hey everyone, welcome back to 3 Plant-Based Kids. I'm Eden, and today's episode is going to be a little different. Guess what? Elphaba and Glenda from Wicked took over the 3 Plant-Based Kids kitchen. They're going to be battling out pink pasta versus green pasta. So stay tuned for more. Which one? Oh, and by the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
Hello, I'm Glenda, and today I'm going to be making my pink pasta. Good evening, I'm Elphaba, and today I'm going to be making my signature green pasta using kale. Well, I'm going to be making my pasta using beets, so it can be pink. Cute, classy, and totally Instagram worthy. Well, green pasta is bold, strong, and good for you. No fluff, just flavor. Since my name starts with E, I'll be going first. That means we're saving the best for last. Ta-da! This powerful, bold pasta is full of nutrition. And it's green, my favorite color. And there you have it. The flavor's rich, creamy, smooth, and it's pink, so it's a win-win.
A few moments later.
Whoa. Popular. This is gonna be popular.